Hey there, today I have this doorknob that I'm going to be installing, and it's a very easy install. I really like the matte black look to it. It's a very nice, sleek, modern look while keeping the traditional doorknob style. And this is a locking doorknob so that it creates privacy for the bathroom. And it has your standard switch here, and it is adjustable to expand if you need it to be centered. It also comes with the switch plate, and then it comes with both doorknobs for either side. One obviously being for the outside that has the keyhole, and the other side having the lock for the inside. And then it comes with all of the hardware you need for it, all the screws that match it, so it's really nice. You don't have to worry about having any unmatching screws. Everything's going to match really nicely and work really well. So we're going to go ahead and install this, and then we're going to see how it works. So this is a great doorknob for a bathroom door, a bedroom door, anything you want a little bit of privacy, but you don't necessarily need to keep a key on you. If it gets locked, it's a very simple. You just use this tool that came with it, and you can just flip it. And so it's still easy enough to unlock, let's say if a kid accidentally locks it, but it still gives you a little bit of privacy. So really nice that way. Functions just as it should. Has a nice smooth function to it and just a nice sleek look to it. So if you're looking for a doorknob for any of your interior doors to have a lock on it, I definitely check this one out. Thanks for watching.